Yes, Amabembuaba, you feel broken hearted, Meboa. Wipe your tears, okay? Come on, mention. Maybe I'm a friend. Why? Hello?
Sompa 93.1. Sompa 93.1.
Hello, my name is Omanhene Yaw, your man in the morning. Tune in to 93.1 Sompa FM.
Onyamie wayeni Nasibre wasidani Mure wasidani
Inspiring your morning, commanding your morning with the wisdom of
Awe so madiachi
Omanhene Yaw and Boakye, changing lives.
It's a manda modrum
Food for thought.
Anti musio
It's time for food for thought.
Ade wayeni Mure wasidani wate Odima fuajae kama fuajae siadiabe Odima fuajae Mure wayeni Animuani Okodie samwa wo hwe mfidie ama tromedie kodidie Animuani Okomo govonyere Odimafo Amadi achiyen Umada swati Anye ni panyina nenya ni seye
Commanding your morning with the wisdom of God on food for thought.
Dodo no ye ne won kwa kataso no
Your lives.
Ebinu makampa mu Dodo no ye ne won bo mu kwa kataso no Ebinu madani ati asewuyo Ebinu masafra ati asifo asase Kadono mabro munti da sotiasia bejwa ye right bejwa ye o Odima fue na beje won kanfo Mamafo Yeni biaje Okumafo Menise play flowers I am going to bless and a better tooth Ameni amabai Say share no I don't know what rank we Kokata stress and you don't know what bromura Can't yes Kodaya dayo ya daya Baya nyani yana Na wanya mi kura mo Ujina ya ni fansa Domere mabi Odima fwe umado asa Ajadu asio Sawaje ensama di achinti Rabaje wayeye Ayeye saw Kananso do ase Animuani Ajabu maba Sawo komu na nwini yo Wonwini yansa na ukomu Obinimu Obi ni mu awosia Obi ni mu onyamia Braya de nyimu Abraya de nwiro wo Obi ni mu Obi amawe baby. And I'm not permit tomorrow. Flower, what do I say? I am so. I'm on the parchment. And then you bring me to tomorrow. My camphor. I am so. I'm on your dream. I am so. Maybe I ain't in a sermon. I am so. It's in common.
Come on, join me as we sing worship to bless His holy mighty name. Songs of worship and adoration to our King. Every star, oh Damio, Nanado Yanuswa, Nanado Yanuso, Doso, oh. Dana see, Dana see. Adum bro wasanema. Neyinya, niaye. Oh, makarabrosa. Na meka fu di da 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 da. Oh. Come on, sing it wherever you are. If you're watching television, if you are worshiping with me on radio, if you're online, on Facebook, sing it. We are worshiping our Maker this morning. We are before the throne of grace with thanksgiving and adoration. Don't leave anything behind. Give it all to Him. Oh, Aduma Shanima, Nintino Ayawa, Yashirawo Nimo, Nintino Ayawa, Edime Biona Yambo, Aduma Shanima, Jesus. The Mochimo Kwaba, ever food for thought was Sompa. 93.1. We are live on Facebook. Come on, as I always ask you to do, please share to as many platforms as you can. I have done mine, so I want you to do same. Na obia so onim no so any part of the program. As I tell you, every blessed day somebody will call and be asking. From no kasa we na can say ontie program na ni aje as many as you can. Lately you guys are doing so wonderful. You keep sharing and sharing and sharing until you are tired. That's what I want you to do. Continue to share for many. Now no pay unyame Atomiya about the patchy. Now on the other purpose, so yeah, I hear in the Senate from the Enkomano. For the past, I think yesterday, we've been sharing something. Yesterday, I spoke about 5 of them, and I said 15 things. And Nema Edunum, 15 kinds of people you should pray to God to meet. 15 kinds of people. And thank God we talked about 5 of them. I want to believe so. Yaka Enum. And this morning we're going to continue. So pick your pen and your paper. And Nyami Sofu Binimi Dinkomo. That was something else. Papa Nyami Shao. Oh, see, you have no idea. When you teach us like that, we also do a research. We add it. That you're calling teacher, sorry. Put him say a papa, and as we the Nyami pot here, Papa. Oh my God. So yesterday I spoke, I said you need to pray for an encourager. And I also talk about the hand lifter. Me kasafa obi a obe proche radima obi a de bia oye futufua and obi obe Kenya wo. Enye obi obe bu abem. And the obe page won samema won saso wa hu ye hia mu obe ba won sa abem and obe ba won chambe boa. The hand lifter. We talk about the destiny helper. Shebremu boafo. We spoke about the destiny helper. Ena ye kasafa de oma the giver. Ena misaka safa the receiver. Na me ma wo ete se enye asasi bia na edua so bro. Nye ba bia na so seed. Today we're moving on. Number 6. Pray to God that he will help you have a prayer conqueror. A prayer conqueror. Obia, waya wa tamfo na obia obenwa wa yempai bofo a wo bompai a emuaye ye dai eba srewrade se oma obi sa wa brabo. A prayer conqueror. Colossians chapter 4 verse number 12 to 13. Colossians 4 nguma 8-9 nchemu tumienu. I see Epaphras, who is one of you, a bond servant of Christ, greets you, always till laboring fervently for you in prayers, that you may stand perfect and complete in all the will of God. For I bear him witness that he has a great zeal for you, and those who are in Laodicea and those in Hierapolis. Epaphra, awoye mumu bako, onyame akoa wachiamo, dani da wo yimpaye mamo, samu bejina piti ewo nyame epemu, na me dini one dance yese, owa pepa mamo, mo amo Laodicea and Hierapolis. Pray to God for an Epaphras in your life. You will be on ma senyame de benwa. Every blessed morning or sorry over kai won paibom. What me cry ya country mouth. Just like my daughter Akosia. Obe dear mouth. Just like my papa, Prophet Edward Menu. I know sometimes who how to so think I say, Wobon paye mouth. Wobon paye pa mouth. My papa, Prophet Lukibase. Liberty House International, Liberty House Chapel International, Tema, the winner. Prophet Lukibasi and Openya Mishra. What think I said? Wobon paye mouth. Or Frewa, no didn't come up. Obusa send back to me and me say, the Ekosu Abrabo Moano, so I'm on paye mouth. Pray for an Epaphras in your life. Yabubon paye radisra misra. It may be a yell nipa be our prayer conqueror. Our boat chidom. Sandy Panoa, who yam recrow Kenyan. Yes, a Sandy baby Tiawa, Yamina no so many pie. Namway. The 6 a.m. so almost a man or mumra mutrim. Obu obenya na kwate se oye na bia to. No yi white handkerchief abose wo dem obi a ono abesu abontene. Ebebo omutiri so wo Yesu din mo. Che de because ya just wa me. What say Epaphras? Oye mumu baako. Paul so dia dance say owo pepa mamo. Or a certain kind of zeal, praying fervently that you will stand perfect in the will of God. Ubejra pe ewo nyame de nyame pesemu yemu. Eti wo honoma. Bompire say ubenya a prayer conqueror in your life. Let me ask you this morning, do you have one? Who will be? Number 7. Pray to God for a recommender. A recommender. Why need a recommender? Obi a say kami why me kwa baby ni edi nkomo a. Obu honu ma ebia apama tade bia hyew efe pa. Na wakọ obi nchen awatade me for was abrantie we na pam ye. Ma me fa the number ma on a friend no. Wonim de why what boas abrantie na apama tade ne ma. You have recommended him to your friend. Contract being a buyer, boss were down for this. You are a guy be over to my year. But the one no. The contract in my crown or catch it back across how want me. Or Yadia Bompire so Yamima will be a the piano in circles. He's been mentioning your name to people. Assembly Ameti. I'm penny for MPP party in the power mana. Obi ono tabi oni mi din komo. Omu nyina ko conqueror ko pre bibi. And you see a boom mi din o baby. Tiny panel boom mi din o obi o. O say. Oya woman turn radio so na the woman post crowd what the monta what the music nya bedress. O kan ya na di pa ko no. Just so ma me position but as or da o say o ka sare ma na yes asem ye ko fini bi ase media chesam tuo nyina no da bia no bisika dia ma me bia na me nam boutique am to tontade it's a minimum me mobra jamani pa no husa ase jama me de menye obi ase ye serious tani pa na so hia wa no no sere ya ka tira me hunu me hwe ne sa me si yo abaye you will be our say which the patabia. Ye didn't koso ba no say which, but pray to God for a recommender. Your boy Juma be super was Juma way there, but I'm for the beti my and Juma beto baby I know a friend for certificate bra. Now my catch we say we are good. But obi on my Juma the beto honano. Senor the benya di ani obianya. Nyana busiani ne benya de obianya to betimi na nante saa e wo se kwa boa amonya adwuma ye nso so mfiu. Pray to God for a recommender. Baka prayer conqueror. Baka recommender. 1 Corinthians chapter 16 8-11. Koronto fonguma edi kan tredun sia ne chichemu ngotwe. He said, but I will tarry in Ephesus until Pentecost, for a great and effective door has opened for me, and there are many adversaries. And if Timothy comes, see that he may be with you without fear, for he does the work of the Lord as I also do. Therefore, let no one despise him, but send him on his journey in peace, that he may come to me, for I am waiting for him with the brethren. Now, me train kakra wa Ephesus, kopim Pentecost da. O don't probably one piama men and so on out time in oya day. A dosso. Name of Timothy, but you, Paul is recommending Timothy to the other disciples and the believers. Now, so Timothy, ba, mun share sermon in the betra a hunim. It says, our young Yamia Jumano to send Yamia. Paul did the whole crowd to Timothy. Now, me suffer. Madame Fubisia. Madam for Sophie, Michelle, no many agent, Opa, we pursue a picture of Master, oh, Java, and Maunadia. Hey, King Crow, you. Oh, on Saturday, Yadia. Oh, wait, yeah. It's a so because, oh, this is my friend. No one can catch us, Massa. It's a breakthrough for you going to preach at that pulpit. It is the idea you know, Konodabi. What's saying? Obisio, you invite to my here. You just say, oh, Osip, Timothy, please put it back on the screen for me. And if Timothy comes, see that he may be with you without fear. She said, Timothy, ba, mo she said, morning and transit, Musrono. Na nyame adwuma na me ye no eno abi no ye na Paul adwuma ye bi na Timothy ye dabi na so person nipa gye ne tumti wose adwuma na wa ye no eno abi na me ye eti hwa na ma bu na nimtia bu na nimtia ma bu me Paul nimtia na mom ma ne mbra e wa asomdwem esa se me ano me twen no a recommender. Paul recommended Timothy. Who have you recommended so far? And how do you say nipa? Pray to God for a recommender. Number 8. I deal with hear me pa. Bompire say nyame baba obi a corrector. A corrector is somebody I will cut to touch me touch man. Oba sibria catch na wo. Adam foa ana onia. Oba catch you said dia wo ye nyejai. Whether things are up or down, these ones are standing with you. And they honestly tell you when you are wrong. They prevent you from digging a grave of mistake that may bury your destiny. Or let me know what Kuntokopa to send here. One show you be fish what town. Or let me a jacket cannot judge now. As what the I know a phone if row. Who come baby on penny, sad dear way out Koyano. Because they know that you are digging a grave for your destiny. So people who are correctors, they stand with you, but they will tell you the truth. Oba catch now, I catch you a name. Omanhene Yaw we no nem fatal. It will burn away away. It will be this way we are. And then and I thank God I have a corrector of a wife in my life. And now God bless you. Oba catch now pay. But you tell me, but do maybe to be cast some shame. Was as a mamuna kakra. But me ohana me try say ah. Asempa no obey catch me. Ohana me nia ba me hoso. Esa say who ko say no wan hwe ya. E domo ba no. Wan hwe otimbe yo de. Wan hwe obesisa. Send you no yiri tie, send you no namfo no. E betu me wan hwe ahoma so kra beba omu. So you need somebody who will check your life for you, a corrector. Maybe over to know what Kuntokwati send here. That's why I'm bonny. Because I dare be a CEO who say Yakoso. Especially when she finds out after me pie ball a Yako Fombi. The God be on him Bekono. God himself, if my prayer life goes down, the enemy will get me. Why now one who are bravo more I'll correct you? Oba, do you correct your husband? Would there be an amikotowe mamska, and amikotowe mamska, and a towe mammy, towe mammy? Ukunu ya dear be one year who sat dear between your harbor, Katrano, Manibumfu, or your battery mount, trust your bonus and me up wame. And remember, Obama Bio, who saw bad to me can and him, actually senior masono, what on the pow. So when you want, what you defend for Obano, the one offense to me can last man the bubu, Obama Kasa wow. That's it. Obana, and what's out Tiana? What Jano no Namho, Banchino, Obama Kasa wow. And then we are 2 cities or 5 cities. You will not correct him. You have friends who are called armed robbery. You are born to your Fauba. I have police for crime for the mount. You have friends catch us and we didn't go any massino. Who couldn't go any massino? What time for now? Oh, yeah, dear one cano. What the enemy was never be count. Vampire said, Radim, give me a corrector in my life. Now, we'll see you 2 for another day. What ye? You only pay me on ma. There may be a hot me. The year Casama Cacaotie. Jenny Hantai on the Bema of Fiona back home and a day. And the money be crab back home, my time, man. In Caseco Sukun Consul, so now back home and to Quatian. Your boss, man, and farmer how. Are you being blessed this morning? Let's move on. Number 9. The committed. The committed. 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse number 10. The committed. They all want to watch it. Come here, suffer. Babompaye nyina bi babompaye se nyame beboa na wasafo one a woman or what to watch. There is a group of church members in Ghana. I can mention them. Christ Embassy, Pastor Chris, sorry, Lighthouse, Lighthouse Chapel 4. Their love and affection for Lighthouse. It also moved closer. I watched them from afar. Christ Embassy. Hey, I know one lady, Nanama. She'll say, commitment and now being committed to the cause of Christ. Hey. Oh my goodness. Christ Embassy, Lighthouse Chapel. And I can talk of Pentecost. Pentecost needs or some as for Pentecost. Not sorry. Whether things are up, whether things are down, say a good anymore say. So we are pray to God for someone who is committed to your cause. Depending on who anymore say, I never channel pass some out to say not to fear. As one T said, who cry as some to depending on poor. And never or slow, a tiba from or hodomo, and yet dear near me call yan will do a chile. As some two on the crown they will call. Pray to God for a committed person in your life. You can have a wife who is not committed to your cause. It's just them to cry. Or no cry they be called bontene. Or no cry they call bush your farm and here. You can have a husband who will be sending your messages to your in-laws for them to even hate you. That man Jimmy for. Or they didn't come out them. No akobusa ni mame. Akobusa ni nua ba say na na ekwe kan na adwene ho sai. Ti da bia no mo tan. Oba no huru ba bia otan ni free ba. Ono fa adwene adwuma amoye wasoa wonuanom no na fofo akogu adwuma mu no mu di sikai oba yi se mo mu fra adwuma nim na bia bi ma o mu kra ukoya ai ye no akra na akua se me mpamo na wo me kra me don't no ma mpamo eti wo mu tan wo yire. Pray to God for a committed soul in your life. 2 Timothy chapter 3 10-12. But you have carefully followed the doctrine, manner of life, purpose, faith, long suffering, love, perseverance, persecution, affliction, which happened to me at Antioch, at Iconium, and last year. What persecutions I endured, and out of them all, the Lord delivered me. Yes, all who desire to live godly in Jesus will suffer persecution. One of the small radin cremuno. Now did I miss a banana or tabeba? There's an ingramu, possible with the 2 million will be dry. Usujna, Comedy Cacrabiana or Bar Coffee or two. I will check a Crabiana, Uchakona, Christoni. You see, I've got another come forward, you remember, accountant. Oh, yeah, that was a full of I saw the sicker, accountant, I saw sicker now, you get the coins. Kakanka Krabu Wana, Dakuya Baba Yak, auditing una wanima eguasi. Be committed. Asafo awomu, how committed are you? Una wodi asafo na sem nam na ugu so for krani mu ase. So for dress ana abofu. Mame fa ba kon ka ho. Edu. So how now we look at two things. Eyase but and say the committed. Somebody who is committed to your cause. And we have number 10, the loyal. The loyal. Also, what say? Bro, with your loyal. The loyalty is to you and your person. The committed is committed to a vision. Adebi out there to her. I'll say ye. One in the word, he's committed to a Juma, but he's not loyal to you. Only the Juma, but the loyal, no, who and not, just say, what did the team see me a trap? Who can the master? What we say? Who took you no one? What in the home? Do you have somebody like that in your life? Do you have somebody who is this loyal? Philippians chapter 2, 19 to 23. But I trust in the Lord Jesus to send Timothy to you shortly, that I may also be encouraged when I know your state. For I have no one like-minded, who will sincerely care for your state. For all seek their own, not the things which are of Jesus Christ, but you know his proven character. Paul will say, when you will be out and actually know Donald Timothy. Now, Mama will send you a sit here that as a son with his father, he served me with all in the gospel. Therefore, I hope to send him at once as soon as I see how it goes with me. Paul will say, Philip, before now me suma Timothy amamo enchebia na oba wabehye so inclining wabeka bia kire me na me tene me hu sane me hu sitie na me ni obi a one me dwene te se Timothy bebre na twa me wahia nanso wo mo dwene o mafu enye Kristo asempa no ka ene ne obeba na enkwaje beba wo dwene wo na fu. There are many people that have surrounded you. It is what they get from you. Asem to an album who say, money in the hole, one in the hole, one in the hole. General manager, one in the hole. CEO, managing director, one in the hole. One up for no my child, Wasiano, one in the hole. One in the hole. And yes, sir, be real. You need a loyal person. Pray to God for somebody who is loyal to you. And listen to me, this is a caution. When somebody is loyal to you, don't despise the person. Na enipam kra wo tiatia no pese ogun anima ase we are not tantade because officer the social strata that status no ni ho send nipa no ne umpaboa obefa pepa ho send nipa no aduane a obedi obenya kra ko obeti bia di ansase emfa duro muma. He's ready to die for you. Such people, when God gives them to you, be careful. Mumu bebre nipa bi ye to watch mamwa na mu nipa nim kra na uguna ni wasa kan center why am I omo atwa won sia nyina mu no to aso ya boy sa no mo frɛ no the boy on to undraw o ka sem cho se obe out me tia no e also oba betete wo ne obi ntem. Loyalty. Somebody can be loyal. Anybody that does not reward loyalty suffers in the end. Obi tu no what say esomo na wa bawa wani amahwa ewiasia usofa. Watch this. Osena radisha Potiphar Joseph unti Joseph tu no nyina de so Potiphar odini yira nu masamachi e pamo Joseph ade ne kotra afiase ewiase no Joseph bedi hine ewo Misema afe na Potiphar be hyenase me say I'm imagining that if Joseph sees one. Now all banner Potiphar said near Chopus and you to Jan in child dressing. Jobano Timpejan Tisha Joseph. Reward loyalty. Reward loyalty. God bless you. Kobe say I send me the food for thought about no pay me gidi say why you shra anopay a child don't do me now we'll do the last 5. I want to believe you've been blessed this morning. I have also been blessed so far. Thank you for joining us on Facebook. Let me get some message. Christian Aniwa, I say God bless you, Daddy. Nana Hima, I say God bless you. Charity Mensa, good morning, Omanhene. Nikki Father, I like you since I started watching your show because you are not political journalists, unlike those film journalists. Oh, come on, Nikki, don't do that. Good morning, Omanhene. Good work done. Keep it up. God bless you too. Okay, kids and teens world. So you're saying, "Mommy, I want for open baby. I want to the papa. And the ama ma. And I'm rasu so called war or listed the ama war. And I'm calling when you're fiebe. You know me and Sankopim Dunsia. But Srawa Debbie, I'm coming say and fat. Akwadanwa what if you do me no wo set to be why can say and then the pentu de kwasheno and I will dress be ukobubo ho kwala onya mfie do me no depend on your 25 at here and e kwasheno onam ho no man why euro bi no onam ho your teens wear now obenya ni nyina wo kids and teens toys and kwala di akọ educational toys and in yama ho do bebre na wo kids and teens world. Kwala aduane omo milk ahodo a omo die ma omo ye tofo kama edum ye ne lava shop di hwani mu edum ha Republic Bank Jaba Plaza abe hu yen and Tinga Junction Kasi Kwaso your number is 0244 650074 0244 650074 and 0245 241 127 0245 241 127 Good morning. Netusana mono na bibia nkoso kama afei Fanco Enterprise plumbing materials papa fie say ebia o ye construction we here pipes o to borehole bi akọ ayi MP ebia common farm with 2 borehole pipes papa na ebe ma insuo na ba no ye tono eye Fanco construction works papa wo de year pipes na ye adwuma no mesel koto ho ye wakese akese nketwa dantemu ne the last one utu sana mo na obedi adanse se wato ne pa e wo Fanco Enterprise ura bathroom jacuzzi papa bi different kinds bathtubs different kinds sink water closet cabinet we had TV ni so a once a sink on a cabinet was see obetuma hye towels no just say obi ura bathroom o tim say yes o free Fanco neba your main station before do head office on a walk Poseko Lane ye ne Sambra Hotel di hwe animu ena edum Wesley matter is so Boshe dino e dan etoaso the car Boshe electricals e dan etoaso your number is 0551 011 770 0551 011 770 and 0551 011 767 0551 011 767. Give us a call. Afei TMA Tony Sack Enterprise Topapa Preku TPPP Topapa Preku. Diana Hamilton say open quality and affordable home appliance there your property. The property. I know canon tina miss me cancer property. Your property. Her home appliance bay. TVs, deep freezers, fridges, tabletop, air conditioner, iron, microwave, blender, washing machine, anything home appliance, anything electronic, Facodine, Tony Sack, property products, Obiajiatu. Air conditioner, say, you was special compressor be, a money down so. I dare back what I make say, air conditioning, I dare a higher condition pie in footro. It's almost the net to send him and in footro come. Yes, now we call servicing. Now so a boy, you kama. Who saw ya and then why you once air condition be outside. it's me the 10 minutes, 15 minutes a day. Now who wrote you? Oh, so ya na a foul room temperature. Freya was 0508 108 337. 0508 108 337. And a 0244 266 193. 0244 266 193. Afei and crime. One kind in important mon number 0500 309 309. 0500 309 309. Okay. Linda Amo says, good morning, Omanhene. Good work done. Keep it up. Father Ziggy say, I'm blessed. Audu Isaac Abdullah. Oluman First Light, Deputy PR Brown for Regional Circles Council, is watching you from Sunyani in Kwabin South. Abbas Amogobo says, good morning, Omanhene. Keep the good work. Bismarck Chase, a powerful word of God. Omanhene Yami Shrao. Kwame Bolt says he's watching from Accra. And then Pastor watching you. James Amwa, Pastor watching you from Kui, near Bolly, Pastor James. Oh, okay. George Jennifer is also watching. Christian Aniwa is also here. Messages no yananka making kind of the auto screen no so to send here. Eya moye no na oh. Na ma kin kan bia. Me kan na de konyo okay. Fato. Rex Hod. He's a wonderful guy. We have a team in this household. They are so good. Bismarck Che. Do we have it on the screen? Okay. You are coming. That's okay. Baroski sister wife says good morning. Anyway, just put it on the screen. Let me go to the lines. The number is 0551 931 931 0551 931 931. Join me on the lines and 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Omanhene.
Achonhanye.
If I say any friend on our way.
Okay, me who you pa mami ti ano pay.
There are none of pay the Yamia saw the nest to say, and then so near make an say, I hope all shall be very. So that the Yanako Dum is dealing out some out for the best say, may I see the boy and a bravo. Now I can send the baby, oh, my is slapper, Yanko shall on your casepa.
Amen. Hello.
Me papa Omanhene papa successful and can of pay Abraham.
Bam, my original Nigeria.
Upon a penco to food in Yamanu produce Hache. Mencham for Basha. And we could see some way to Papa Omanhene. I think they be a metacasibo foot to our viewers. So you Nipana Utia. Power and so such a fool. There's a one cast a walla. Look at this is here. What's your man in the home back of my band and son and I watch here? Was the beard that be as well now with your bones on hair? I was about when I'm you. Oh, and he man in beat Shanty Pascase. Then my Bema. May have said he gave me a cool next to him. Why?
Amen and amen. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Achonhanye.
And if I told you about Kojupukude, I told you market.
Yo, Kojo Mainte wa no pay.
And then so you know to be a pass, so I had a man to be a chin. There be a macao, the open you so every day be and some out the banner, and you're strong come. Let me show Papa because we till there 3 months or 2 months, you know. We were for 2 no one some at the banner fine. Penny Abuamipa in Tiamisha.
Yamisha. Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho, hey, Christoph.
Papa.
I don't need Johnny Jow, not press our office. I just say, Baby Tio.
Papa, what about Yana? What catch the widow of our late brother? So that's only in Mumai on a platform. No,
I mean, anybody come up. It depends whether the they bidding come on higher.
What preference there? Also, commenting on suggest, but the platform has been
we will open the platform. Me say higher crown. You bidding come on.
Okay.
Mami too.
I was okay, you know. I was
Obia to be or no best, but are we also doing same to somebody? Are you also committed to somebody? Are you loyal to somebody? Are you faithful to another? You know, and so the vice versa should be the case. And the Bible says the office will be a man also a day. Papa, I did a man who say in Africa, and business any pillow cry there. But the first close to the young one or town. Who cut to be cross opinion of women and in the Bina, or who feels that Obama about the time or no, and the on John Wow advise John from now, and before there are some things they'll never tell you, because the things that you become like them. But I'll say it's me, so that we can grow together.
Thank you very much. Very thoughtful. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Omanhene
Yaw. Monica, me first year.
Monica, I'm Tiwano pay.
Omanhene Yaw, no nyuma pa wo ye.
Amen.
Baby, me feel. She say, "Oh, mama, you sha."
Glory to God.
Yaw, what say? Yaw. Yaw, okay. So man kunko kind. If you say, "Why ya dear was santimemu ha? Me Ghana fane nyina. Me bompa ye say obi enti de wo ye. If you say any penny na mpone ti o. And enti senka obi enti a. And today, the man ya ye nsira kese pa wo Ghana. Enti mo de ro no obi enti. Mo de ro no so obi enti sompa. Ahomate. Da wo ye de. Sorry, now be Israel. Omanhene Yaw.
Hello, good morning.
Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum oluman.
Omanhene milasi bebreni akwanya odi amami. Omanhene mami ntia warefo nyina Omanhene. Omanhene unse wiase mpanyin se osere donko enhwere ma ontenadwom.
Kre.
Enti nsema okade twa toyi obo ha Omanhene. So be some no afan say 77 nipa no nisu nimfa so bia and so yes a friend say Samolusu bonyum bi wasa se beba da bia ma de o show so ma na home na de o che ne nyanko so no so akonso nkwaso mo bibia e possible e wa asase so de nyame de bema obia ne ukura mu no nwunua mbobo nwunua se wotese wa ne o ye na yakayaka de e de na dabi no o ma en na o ye general manager o baby. Hello,
good morning.
Good morning.
MTN for more to say. Papa, what did you?
Uncle Pacho pay the American can say that Yankupon shall know your cashier, and there be a don't say me for the doye. Ne kan se ne aye tie nyina no yensu so ye tie e recommend obi ana senior member di kan ye no Christoph or say senior opese we am obi no yesu enya sa ma fofo na nyame hia ye because me recommend you obi no eno na nyame so be ya dom na obi so recommend wo me ye lawyer am obi no so na obi so be lawyer am e da se nyame hia.
God bless you my son papa. Oh Pastor EY Anochi says, good morning, my teacher. Patrick Yeboah, he say, God bless. Kofi Kwatin Ameni Paul, he say, good morning, Omanhene. Thanks for the good work you guys are doing. Special greetings to your general manager, Tofia Kwa. Charles Malfu says, I am watching you live inside Achia Mountains. Nikki Father says he's watching out from Germany. Good morning, Omanhene. Okay, let's move on. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene Yaw.
Omanhene. Educate. Mami tio, papa fie me boa.
Papa fie.
Mami tio.
Na yam fanti bia na police for me boa yen. Se wo bo hu nsuo mu se tie ya. Bidie ka bia be si kwan no. Ama se si aka anko ka ma.
Fa bo hu nsuo.
Bo hu nsuo pepepe.
Okay.
Bidie ka wasi kwan no kura nti daba fi na mo kwan so nyina anya hwe yi titiru pa ne ka sakese no esan se ka kese bi antimi nko na ama kwan na si anopai
okay
sere apofo no momoden na wo mo boaye afranto police for any for the police go betimi aboaye ayi ka se na fi wa ma pa no mu ada ho Omanhene ya Misra
pa Bimo Busa, your administrator, food for thought administrator, na ye no, July 16th. July 16th, Ewa Jamesu. Honom ne nyina ebeko 1 week mo bebre ntimi amba but it na be be platform no ne nyina ya hwe kwan ya be fa so a ye be yin toboa na ye de akọ edom oba kunani no ene abusua no. Okay, hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Hello.
Hello, Uncle. Good morning.
Morning. When you?
Uncle, offer.
Ozele mami ti ano pay.
Uncle, Ozele bobo ni me do pan jamasi. Uncle, what can say me be the actually and ano pay and credit to be anya ne loyalty. It is everything nyame. You amame aoye me loyalty anti uncle. To be a one pay and nyame any loyalty and for man uncle. Nyame sure and ano pay.
Nyame sure also. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, uncle.
Acho wanye.
Avant to ko de se nka se kuku so second chance.
Mami ti ano pay.
Papa, yes, you should be able to answer the vacancy. Nyame ko so no nyo kese no man kwa tenten na se me.
Amen.
Be aba me abrabu mususu kia me de to abrabo. Papa nyame sure no nyo kese. Oye fu ma de nyisia. No mo ko so metro onyuma faso. Amen.
Amen. Okay, hello, good morning.
Oh my kum hadie. Ya o my me do akimampo no akase fra de me de nyina bidiane na na pom papa o my premier for commendate what say minchia na wa mana yinchila pa what to na brabo o my what say in chese na what say no so fu bi betena TV so na mu joma so dem a na de bia nyankopon hye o na me mo di yi na me be yo kese ne nso de bia no ye ti an ye ti ne nso won kire se no emu nipa efi de bi ko bebi say na no penchese a wo de ma yi no ye kasa ye tiesika akwati sanke chewe ya nke yike mu bi sanke yi ni perfect de na ko baby o man yangopon no nya adwuma pa anopai.
All right, nyame kan obusia for the musi anomo. You can go to Facebook 93.1 na wasa hwe dwumadie no YouTube Sompa TV oko Sompa TV sesia eda ho ubetimi asende link no ama odofu bi na ono so anase during the day kra no ebi a utie ni wo radio you want to watch it do maybe a o sha ebi a send my yire me ho a make kasa no send me ye you know eno kra sa atumi jinja ma out ni ye e send you ugina sorry dem na we dey utie sorry dem utie nyame asem ye TV no on Facebook need the hot change station be out there I know the America YouTube ye da ho HD clean obu o butumi bu say o man na mo screen no adai na mse ai ye base e be som ti ade bi e be touch mama o ba nya ho asema ka no o ya wonya binka that is Sompa Tarawan Media for you sanso so ne wo sunyane 98.9 right yes almost so omo pa nyagro me da me ni ho abasisi a na ye de dwumadi a ya to ne din se ade a chebia ato aso e de ama asem ne de edika
Assembly besini fenga assembly besini nyara assembly besini choraba nyara assembly besini choraba nyara obrai besini choraba nyara endo nyara assembly besini fenga assembly besini nyara assembly besini choraba obrai besini choraba nyara endo nyara
praise. He deserves our worship. Abba. Tiano baby, I will be now teaching Mona Udiasa.